Don't you wish there was a secret to living longer, healthier, and truly thriving, a way to sidestep the diseases that seem to claim so many? What if I told you that the power to add years of vibrant quality life to your existence, to profoundly enhance your survival and well-being, is not a far-fetched dream, but a tangible reality, often overlooked? This isn't about some miracle cure from the distant future. It's about unlocking the incredible, inherent defenses already hardwired within your own body. Missing out on this profound understanding could be costing you precious years of vitality right now. Imagine discovering that, molecule for molecule, ounce for ounce, your body's natural defenses can hold their own against, and in some cases even surpass, the most advanced medical interventions. A recent, groundbreaking study revealed something astonishing. Simply increasing your intake of certain crucial nutrients by just one extra serving a week could extend your longevity, your overall survival, by an incredible 4.7 years. This isn't just about extending life, it's about amplifying health, preventing disease, and empowering your body to be the ultimate guardian of your well-being. Don't let this transformative knowledge pass you by. For too long, our approach to health has been primarily reactive, waiting for illness to strike before scrambling for treatments. We've focused on picking up the pieces after the time bomb explodes, rather than understanding how to disarm it entirely. But what if the same cutting-edge science that teaches us how to tackle diseases with drugs also reveals a far more potent truth: how to prevent illness from taking root in the first place? This paradigm shift, moving our scientific focus from mere treatment to proactive prevention, is where true health revolution begins. If we talk about disease, the path seems straightforward: diagnose, treat, prescribe, refer. But when we talk about prevention, we're truly talking about health. And herein lies a fundamental misunderstanding for many of us. We often define health simply as the absence of sickness. Am I healthy? Well, I'm not sick, so I guess so. This common belief, however, is deeply problematic. You cannot actively do something about the absence of something else. True health, as groundbreaking research now reveals, isn't just the lack of disease. It's the active, dynamic functioning of our body's own hardwired, innate defense systems. These incredible health defense systems are formed within us even before birth, firing on all cylinders, from our very first breath until our last. Understanding and supporting these intrinsic defenses opens up an entirely new canvas for maximizing our well-being and boosting our natural resilience. Our bodies possess 5 remarkably sophisticated, yet surprisingly simple, health defense systems that are constantly working to protect us. The first is angiogenesis, the intricate process by which our body grows blood vessels. Within us lies an astonishing network of 60,000 miles of blood vessels, enough to circle the earth twice if laid end to end. These are the critical highways and byways that deliver oxygen and nutrients to every single cell and organ, ensuring they receive the vital elements for life. Maintaining a healthy blood supply is paramount for our overall defenses. Next, we have our stem cells. The old textbooks told us that only creatures like starfish and salamanders could regenerate, but humans were different. That notion has been completely rewritten. Humans do regenerate, albeit slowly. Our hair grows back, our skin heals, and astonishing new discoveries show that if you snip off a piece of your lung, it can regrow, and even 2/3 of your liver can regenerate if removed. Our nerves also regenerate. While biotech companies have spent decades trying to figure out how to inject stem cells, Mother Nature already beat them to it. Stem cells are present throughout our body, constantly repairing and regenerating us from the inside out, acting like a tireless road crew, fixing invisible problems. The third vital defense system is our microbiome, a bustling inner ecosystem that represents a new frontier in our understanding of the human body. Often referred to as the Great Barrier Reef within us, our gut is home to an estimated 39 trillion bacteria. The crucial takeaway for our health is that a thriving, healthy gut microbiome helps to lower inflammation throughout the body, which in turn reduces the risk of countless diseases. These beneficial bacteria also optimize our metabolism, helping to fight fat, prevent insulin sensitivity, avoid glucose surges, and even control our hormones, impacting mood and brain health, and playing a role in fighting cancer and regulating obesity. However, this delicate ecosystem is incredibly easy to disrupt, much like a tanker spill can devastate a coral reef. Consuming the wrong foods can inadvertently wreak havoc on our gut, leading to a cascade of negative health effects. Therefore, a higher level of awareness and diligent care for our gut microbiome is essential for defending our health. Our fourth defense system lies within our DNA, which does far more than just carry our genetic code. While it is indeed the blueprint for the proteins we inherited, the unsung hero of our DNA is its remarkable ability to fix itself. When we expose ourselves to environmental damage, like the sun's ultraviolet radiation at the beach, our DNA can mutate. Yet we don't constantly develop cancer because our DNA is hardwired with repair mechanisms. Even when pumping gas, if you inhale the fumes, you're breathing in solvents that can mutate lung DNA. But again, our DNA actively fixes itself, serving as an amazing constant defense against environmental assaults. Finally, and perhaps most widely recognized, is our immune system. The last few years have underscored just how critical robust immunity is. What many don't realize is that our immune system retains its incredible capacity to fight invaders, both external threats like viruses and bacteria, and internal ones like cancer, even as we age. In one of the most remarkable medical advancements, immunotherapy can now treat even metastatic cancers that have spread throughout the body, including to the brain. These treatments don't directly kill cancer cells, but rather uncloak them, revealing them to our immune system. This allows our body's own defenses to target and eliminate cancer, even leading to a complete eradication and resetting the body to a cancer-free state, far beyond mere remission. Immunotherapy essentially harnesses your body's innate power to fight, a stark contrast to toxic drugs. Cancers are notoriously cunning, developing cloaking devices like the PD-L1 protein to hide from immune cells, much like Klingon ships in Star Trek. Immunotherapy drugs work by ripping off this cloak, allowing your immune system's super soldiers to finally spot and destroy these rogue cells. This is how our immune system normally operates, constantly identifying and eliminating microscopic cancer cells before they become lethal. A powerful example of this is former US President Jimmy Carter, who, in his 90s, developed melanoma that had spread to his liver and brain. What was once considered a death sentence was met with a then novel immunotherapy that uncloaked his cancer cells. His 90-year-old immune system, once able to see the threat, completely cleared the cancer from his body. This same approach was even successfully used to treat metastatic endometrial cancer in the speaker's own mother, demonstrating the profound potential of this science. While we haven't completely conquered cancer, the ability to turn back the clock on advanced disease using our body's own defenses is a monumental achievement in medical history. The truly amazing aspect of this deep scientific knowledge, even with advanced biotechnologies and targeted drugs, is that it's often hard to beat Mother Nature. While drugs are essential for treating existing diseases, when we talk about prevention and amplifying our body's health defenses, we must look beyond pharmaceuticals. We must look at something as fundamental as food. Food is medicine we consume 3 times a day, and it holds immense power to either bolster or undermine our internal defense systems. For instance, the effectiveness of immunotherapy for cancer can be dramatically influenced by our gut health. A study involving 200 cancer patients receiving immunotherapy revealed that only 20% had a beneficial response. The key difference between responders and non-responders? A single type of bacteria called Akkermansia mucinifila. Those who responded well had this specific bacteria in their gut, while those who didn't respond were missing it. Further lab experiments with mice confirmed that Akkermansia was critical for immunotherapy success. The challenge is that Akkermansia cannot currently be taken as a supplement. Instead, we must become gardeners of our own microbiome, cultivating this beneficial bacteria. Its name, Akkermansia mucinifila, gives us a clue. It loves to grow in mucus, specifically the mucus lining our gut. The more mucus we produce, the more Akkermansia thrives. Certain foods, like pomegranate and pomegranate juice, contain natural compounds called elagitanins that stimulate our gut to secrete more mucus, thereby encouraging the growth of Akkermansia. This knowledge is now being applied to cancer patients before immunotherapy, helping them optimize their gut microbiome for a better response. The principle of balance, often called the Goldilocks zone, applies to all our health defenses. Not too much, not too little, but just the right amount. Our body knows how to grow more blood vessels when needed and stop when there's enough, even mowing the lawn to trim excess. Tumors, however, hijack this process, growing extra, flimsy, and unstable blood vessels to feed themselves, like a shoddy construction job compared to a strong, healthy one. This fragility makes tumor blood vessels more vulnerable to targeted drugs and, crucially, to certain foods. Extensive scientific and public health research overwhelmingly points to the benefits of a mostly plant-based diet, focusing on whole, unprocessed fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and healthy oils found in grocery stores and farmers' markets. Processed plant-based foods, however, often contain unhealthy components. Beyond plants, seafood can significantly improve survival and decrease the risk of death. Eating 2 to 3 servings of fish or shellfish per week, providing healthy omega-3 fatty acids, can be incredibly beneficial. A serving is quite small, about the size of a deck of playing cards. As mentioned, increasing omega-3 levels by just 1 extra serving a week has been linked to an astonishing 4.7-year increase in longevity. For vegans or vegetarians, plant-based sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, and certain nuts offer omega-3s, though in a different form that requires greater quantities. Regarding other foods, there are no universal absolutes. Some dairy products, like traditionally made cheeses and yogurt, can be beneficial for the microbiome due to their probiotic content, though moderation is key given saturated fats and salt. The science leads the way, illuminating our path forward. However, when it comes to red meat, particularly in large quantities, and especially processed meats like sausages, pepperoni, and hot dogs, the research is quite convincing. The World Health Organization has classified processed meats as a carcinogen. While enjoying these foods occasionally is part of living, moderation is crucial, and reducing or eliminating them can offer significant health advantages. Life is for the living, and enjoyment is important, but making informed choices, guided by science, empowers us to protect our health. If a food makes you feel unwell, listen to your body and adjust your intake. The science of food as medicine is a rich and evolving field, offering immense potential for anyone seeking to proactively enhance their well-being.